Hey guys, so we're going to work on calculating the square size for a 9-patch block. So you're going to gather your supplies. Make sure you have a rotary cutter, a ruler, a cutting mat, fabric, and the project sheet.
There is just an easy way to calculate this to figure out the square size for your 9-patch block. I'm going to start with a finished block size. Now, it's going to be easier if you choose a finished block size that is divisible by 3. So I'm going to start with the finished block size of 7.5. Now, when I divide that by 3, I'm going to come up with 2.5, which is 2.5. I'm going to add in that 1/2 inch. And that's the size of squares I will cut for my 9-patch block. Now, when cutting your squares, it's very important to be precise with your cutting. Make sure you're using a quilting ruler that has good measurements rather than using your cutting mat. Alright, so we're going to check our block size here, and we're going to see that we have an 8-inch unfinished 9-patch block. Once we account for the 1/4 inch seam on all 4 sides, we will have our 7.5-inch finished 9-patch block.
Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you calculate the square sizes for your next 9-patch block.